Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hats on Roblox on iPad or iPhone. First of all, open Safari browser on your iPad or iPhone and just go to roblox.com. It will take you to the home page, and if you haven't logged in yet, it will take you to the login page where you have to log in with your username and password. Once you log in your account, you just need to go to, just tap on this menu button and go to Avatar. Now it will ask you to open Roblox app, but you can open Avatar editor on browser as well. What you need to do, you have to tap on this smallest A and capital A before the roblox.com, and now you have to request for a desktop website. Just tap on it. Now as you can see that you can open the avatar editor on Safari as well. Now just need to tap on this head and body and go to head, on a head and body and go to hair, and as you can see that I have selected so many hairs uh, at once. Just let me unselect all of them and I'll show you how can you select multiple hairs at once. And now you can see that right now only once hair is selected. So what you need to do to select multiple hairs on Roblox, you have to right click, just hold the new hair that you want to wear as well, and just need to copy the link address, and now you just need to open a new tab and paste it over here, the ID or the link of the new hair, and paste, just copy the part or the asset ID of the new hair. Once you select the asset ID, just copy asset ID from here. Just tap on it. Once you copy the asset ID, now you just need to go to roblox.com here, and here you will see this advanced link. Here you can see that, tap on it and paste the link asset ID that you have a copy of a new hair. And now you just need to minimize the keyboard and tap on save changes and click on save again, and your new hair will be selected. Can you see? So if you want to select multiple hair, you have to repeat this step to select multiple hair. So you can again hold the new hair, copy the link, open a new tab and paste it over here, and just select the asset ID and copy again, and go back to the avatar editor, and again you have to click on advanced link and paste again over here. You can paste it like this and click on save again, and click on save again. And so right now you can select only 2 hairs using this method. If you want to wear multiple hairs, you can use Chrome extension on browser. So there are a lot of extension like BT Roblox. If you are using Windows, you can select multiple hairs using that method. I've already made a video on that. Hope you like it. If you have doubt, you can ask in comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.